how to register or create a new account on Payoneer. So first you will need to go to payoneer.com. You can also click on the link in the description below. And then you want to click on register or open your account. Now you will need to click on to get paid, send payments and more. And this should take you to the next page where you will start by entering your email address. And then they should send you a code to your email address, and you'll need to enter this code here to confirm, and then press next. And here you should be able to select whether your business is registered with an official government authority. You can pick yes or no depending on your business. And then you should provide your full name, the first name and last name, and then press next. And then you should pick the country and press next. And then they will ask you to add your phone number and choose a method to confirm, whether by WhatsApp or SMS. And once you confirm your phone number, you should be able to enter a password, which is the last step here. And then it should take you to your account. And from there, you can start using Payoneer by copying the bank accounts they give you to get paid and send and receive payments. Usually they will require one verification at the beginning, which is identity verification by ID card, passport, or driving license, and a simple questionnaire of what you do and what is your business line. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.